Hello everyone, this is Amit and you are watching my channel Information and Educational Videos. Today I will discuss the top 10 colleges that comes under Gujarat Common Entrance Test. It is a Gujarat based engineering entrance test which enable you to get admission in the top college of Gujarat. Here I will discuss their fee structure, average package, highest package, NRF rank and cutoff for Gujarat Common Entrance Test exam as well as JEE Main for overall branches and for CSC particularly. So watch this video till the end to get the complete information related to these top 10 colleges. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. Here you will get all you need to know about a particular college, particular exam, that is college review and many more. So share this video to your friends so that they can also get this information, and if you have any doubt, do ask in the comment section, and for many such videos check the I button as well as the description box. So let us start with the today's topic. With the number 10 college, that is Ahmedabad Institute of Technology. The college has a fee structure of 70,000 per year and the average package goes to 3 lakh per year. The highest package goes to 9 lakh per year, and the cutoff for JEE Main for this college goes to 45,000, and for CSC the JEE Main cutoff is only 15,000. Now the cutoff for Gujarat Common Entrance Test is 40,000 across branches, but for CSC the cutoff is only 10,000. Now talk about the number 9 college that comes under Gujarat Common Entrance Test is AD Patel Institute of Technology. The fee for this college is 1 lakh per year. The average package is 3.5 lakh per year. The highest package is 8 lakh per year, and the cutoff for JEE Main goes to 41,000 across branches, but for CSC the cutoff is only 6,000, and for Gujarat Common Entrance Test the cutoff is 36,000 across branches, and for CSC the cutoff is 5,000. Now talk about the number 8 college, that is Birla Viskarma Mahavidyalaya. The fee for this college is 1.3 lakh per year, and the average package is 4 lakh per year, highest package 11 lakh per year. The JEE Main cutoff for this college goes to 14,000, but for CSC the cutoff is only 1,000, and for Gujarat Common Entrance Test the cutoff is 10,000, but for CSC the cutoff is only 600. Now the number 7 college is Charotar University of Science and Technology. The fee for this college is 1.2 lakh per year. The average package is 4 lakh per year, highest package 12 lakh per year, and it accepts only Gujarat Common Entrance Test. That means you can't take admission through your JEE Main rank, and the cutoff for this is 32,000 across branches, but for CSC the cutoff is 7,000 only. Now talk about the number 6 college, that is Dharmsingh Desai University. The fee for this college is 1.5 lakh per year, average package 5.5 lakh per year, highest package 14 lakh, and for JEE Main the cutoff is 6,000, but for CSC only 400 rank, and for Gujarat Common Entrance Test the cutoff is 5,000 across branches, but for CSC the cutoff is only 300. Now talk about the number 5 college, that is Viskarma Government Engineering College. The fee for this college is very low as it is a government college, that is 7,000 per year, average package is 4.5 lakh, highest package 10 lakh, and the JEE Main cutoff is 15,000, but for CSC 1500. For Gujarat Common Entrance Test the cutoff is 14,000, but for CSC only 1400. Now talk about the number 4 college, that is LD College of Engineering, Ahmedabad. Fee for this college is 3 50,000 per year, which is very low, and average package is 4.5 lakh, highest package 12 lakh. JEE Main cutoff goes to 15,000 across branches, but for CSC only 800 rank. And for Gujarat Common Entrance Test, the cutoff is 15,000, but for CSC the cutoff is only 500 rank. Now talk about the number 3 college, that is GH Patel College of Engineering and Technology. The fee for this college is 1.3 lakh per year. The average package is 5 lakh per year. The cutoff for JEE Main goes to 20,000 across branches, but for CSC the cutoff is only 2,000. And for Gujarat Common Entrance Test the cutoff is 12,000 across branches, but for CSC the cutoff is 2,000. Now talk about the number 2 college, that is Nirma University. The NRF rank for this college is 151 and the fee structure is 2 lakh per year. The cutoff for Gujarat Common Entrance Test is 4,000, but for CSC the cutoff is only 400, and it also accepts only the Gujarat Common Entrance Test rank. That is, you can't get admission through your JEE Main rank. And the average package is 8 lakh per year, which is very good, and the highest package is 16 lakh per year. Now talk about the number 1 college that comes under Gujarat Common Entrance Test is Dhirubhai Ambani Institute of Information and Communication Technology. It has an NRF rank of 91. Average package is 10 lakh per year, which is better than many NITs. And the one more thing for this college is the college only teaches CSC and IT. Only 2 branch is possible in this college, and the highest package goes to 40 lakh per year, and the fee is 2 lakh per year. The cutoff for JEE Main goes to only 150 rank, and for Gujarat Common Entrance Test the cutoff is only 180 rank. So that's it about the top 10 college that comes under Gujarat Common Entrance Test. If possible, choose college from these 10 only, as these 10 colleges can provide you a better education as well as a better placement after your BTech. So thanks, hope you like this video. If you like, please subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends. Thanks.